Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to you all children. How are you all? How is everything going with you? Yeah, Alhamdulillah, I'm fine here. So welcome back to your Islamic class. As you know that this is our day one, and on every day one of our every week, we always do something kind of translation or memorization. So translation is not there today. It is only reciting. You are going to recite a surah that is the shortest surah of Quran. Yeah, you got me right. I'm talking about Surah Kausar. I want to tell you that this is the shortest surah of Holy Quran and it has only three ayats in it. And it has a big message in it. Before telling you, I want you to watch the video of Surah Kausar. Then you will come to know what I'm talking about. I will play it for twice or thrice so it could be kept in your mind for longer time.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنا آتيناك الكوثر فصل لربك وانحر إن شانئك هو الأبتر. Surah Kausar was sent in Makkah by Allah. At the time of Miraj, Jibreel took Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, to Jannah and showed him the waterfall, Kausar. It's a lake where he would meet his believers at the time of judgment. The water of the lake is whiter than milk, sweeter than honey, and cooler than ice. He told him that all the believers will meet him at Kausar. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنا آتيناك الكوثر فصل لربك وانحر إن شانئك هو الأبتر. Surah Kausar was sent in Makkah by Allah. At the time of Miraj, Jibreel took Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, to Jannah and showed him the waterfall, Kausar. It's a lake where he would meet his believers at the time of judgment. The water of the lake is whiter than milk, sweeter than honey, and cooler than ice. He told him that all the believers will meet him at Kausar. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنا آتيناك الكوثر فصل لربك وانحر إن شانئك هو الأبتر. Surah Kausar was sent in Makkah by Allah. At the time of Miraj, Jibreel took Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, to Jannah and showed him the waterfall, Kausar. It's a lake where he would meet his believers at the time of judgment. The water of the lake is whiter than milk, sweeter than honey, and cooler than ice. He told him that all the believers will meet him at Kausar.
So, children, the Surah Kausar is basically about a lake in Jannah, which Allah Ta'ala has promised to all of His believers that they will get to drink water of Kausar lake, which water will be sweeter than honey and whitish than milk and also colder than ice. Like it will give us soothing. All of the believers who believe, who blindly believe on Allah and who have blind trust on Allah, that they are going to have something and they are going to drink something from the lake. The lake is of Jannah. Yes, exactly. So Surah Kausar is the name of a lake. Kausar is the name of a lake, will be a name of a lake in Jannah. That water will be sweet and white. We are going to read Surah Kausar for 2 times from our books. You have to learn that surah by heart. We have to recite it for 3 times so you can learn it well. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Inna a'tayna kal kausar. Fasalli rabbika wanhar. Inna shaniyaka huwal abtar. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Inna a'tayna kal kausar. Fasalli rabbika wanhar. Inna shaniyaka huwal abtar. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Inna a'tayna kal kausar. Fasalli rabbika wanhar. Inna shaniyaka huwal abtar. Students, you just have to revise this surah again and again for your better understanding and for your memorization, because it is a thing you have to memorize well. There is no translation of it. So you just need to revise it well from your book and watch this surah again and again for your better understanding. This is all for today. Your Islamic lecture was of this small much because this is not a big surah. And do remember it, the Surah Kausar is the shortest surah of the Quran, and Surah Baqarah is the longest surah of Quran. Okay, take care of you. Do remember everything. Do memorize everything. Try to watch the videos again. Try to engage your parents. Try to engage your siblings. Try to engage your surrounding ones with yourself. So everyone would come to know about our AdWords channel, and they will get some fruits. Mean they can get some kind of fruity thing from your channel. Take care of your class. Allah Hafiz.